Arọbinagụ is known in Igbo tradition as a powerful ancient spirit or deity, often called the king of the forest and lord of the wind, herbs, and roots. It is closely connected to healing and nature, guiding traditional healers, midwives, and herbalists in the use of medicine. Because of this, Arọbinagụ is believed to make herbal medicines effective, bring prosperity, and protect families. Arọbinagụ in the family. Although Arọbinagụ is associated with the forest, some ancestors brought it into their homes as a family deity, often managed by the first son. Family kept this deity mainly for three reasons. One, protection. It served as a spiritual guard against witchcraft, evil spirit, and harmful charms. There are stories that when a person with bad intention enters a family where there is a Arọbinagụ, they may see a mysterious figure sitting there and quickly run away, not knowing it's the deity at work. 2. Marriage. It was believed to help children of the family marry at the right time, build stable homes, and increase family prosperity. 3. Procreation. Arọbinagụ was believed to help with fertility, ensuring that children are born into the family. And now, responsibilities and consequences. Arọbinagụ was not taken lightly. Families that kept it were expected to maintain it through sacrifices such as fowl, goat, sheep, depending on the agreement. Failure to do so was believed to bring consequences such as setback, stagnation, illnesses, or misfortune. Today, with the spread of Christianity, this practice has greatly declined. Many families have chosen different spiritual paths, and belief about Arọbinagụ now vary from place to place. Understanding our culture is important, not just to practice it, but to learn from it. Our tradition tells stories of how our people saw the world. Understanding our culture is important, not just to practice it, but to learn from it. Our tradition tells stories of how our people saw the world. Know your root so you can choose your path wisely.